Alright, hello everyone, my name is Kit. Welcome to another unboxing, this time of the ELECOM Deft Pro Trackball mouse. So here's what it looks like. It's the inside description, and this is the side, back, the side, bottom, and top. Okay, let's just open it. Oh shit. The fuck? Okay, there we go. Alright, here it is. And wow, that is pretty big. So I take this out. Oh wow, this is pretty hefty. So, okay, multiple buttons here. Let's just go through it. So we have buttons here, here, and is this a button? Oh, it is a switch. Interesting. Okay. And then on the bottom, we have this, which I don't know what it is. Something to pair. We have this. I think it's probably a holder for the dongle. Then on the top here, we have a function 1 button, a right button, and then a function 2 button. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a switch. So 7 buttons and a switch. Okay, cool. We got our battery here, and then down below is a dongle. Okay, and I'm guessing this dongle can go right here. Yep. Okay, so we got ourselves USB micro USB cable, and yeah, this is what you use to charge it, I'm guessing, or maybe if you want to connect it wired. So for this is battery powered using a AA battery. Let's go ahead and put this in. Okay, cool. So yeah, there should be a manual somewhere. It's inside here. Okay, so there's a bunch of words that I don't understand, but if you want the English version, just go on here. Oh, so it's in Japanese, I see. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. So yeah, that is basically it. So we got the cable, the mouse itself, and then some instruction manual. Okay, and for comparison, here is the ELECOM Bitra, so significantly smaller. This is way bigger. Wow. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so this one might be better for watching TV. I can use this as a TV mouse. This one is more like really heavy duty for using for your normal workstation. Alrighty, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.